6-inch Philly plus tops for $2.99.
Being here matters, but the cold and flu keeps some students from being here up to 60 million days every year. Introducing Here for Healthy Schools, a new program from Lysol dedicated to curbing the spread of illness in classrooms by teaching healthy habits and partnering with the smart thermometer company. Learn about our mission at Lysol.com.
No matter what I wore, I worried someone might see my bladder leak everywhere, so I switched to Always Discreet Boutique. It's shape hugging Fred smooth out the back, so it fits better than to bend. And no one notices. Always Discreet.
The semi-annual sale at Mattress Firm ends Tuesday. Save up to $400 on our top-rated mattresses. Our customers are raving about their new beds, like a Serta Ellsbury Memory Foam Cream mattress, now just $397. Your budget stretches further at Mattress Firm. These are my people. These are the ones who will reach for the stars. These are my people. By the light on the earth, you can tell they are right. A new step Tuesday, and the news they will bring. Yes, these are my people.
With the money I've made on Poshmark, I've been able to pay for all our family's vacations. I could pay for my wedding
Just on what I've made from Poshmark.
I made over $10,000 and I was able to buy my new car. Download the free Poshmark app now.
Now that I'm banking with Chime, I get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Wow, I wish I was banking with Chime. Aw, thanks.
Get paid up to 2 days early. Start banking at Chime.com.
Oh, sorry, what's up? Start fun summer for dinner. Look like you're all set.
Try a sample.
I'm all a baby. Scratch me.
Hot items are made with real milk, butter, protein, and cheese. They taste homemade and they're ready to dip. Guys, there's more hot items in the refrigerator section. Security! It's love at first sight. Every time.
What's that? What the hell is this? S-75 fish detector. Metal. No, this is a metal detector. This thing looks like it's brand new. Works. This thing might go for a pretty penny. It looks high tech. I might have to go down to the beach and see if I can find me some jewelry. Now I gotta get back to see what else I can take out of Hester's hands.
Try 9x14.
Well, it's got a lot of boxes. It's got some naughty fine furniture. Yeah, I just don't see anything that stands out. I'm worried that all the drawers are there. Price right though, I'm on it. Now we're looking at some beat up furniture, naughty fine dresser, part of an L-shaped sofa. Might be a few $100 stuff. These units are not what I was hoping for today.
I don't know, Jack. I don't really...
It's there, Brandy. You just don't see it. The dining table and the chairs and the couch look okay.
I just don't see it. You're right.
You gotta give me some kind of number on this. I can't just walk away. You
Do
gotta.
they even have on the drawers? What if they don't have
They do. They're in the back. So
all
I see about $600-700 worth of stuff right off the bat. So do you want to make that on tap?
right.
Alright, here we go. How much money we're gonna pay? Say, how much money we're gonna put it down here. Come on, two. Put it down to you. If you're after the three, pay, I'm gonna keep it three, pay, I'm gonna keep it three. Like a 400, 450 where? You got 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450, This is important. worth $700. And the piece I'm standing on, a very expensive air conditioner, I think it's got to be worth $500. Now I found my mojo. Oh, in a minute. Looks like. It looks like a martini shaker. And we've actually have a set. It's a nice little set. I can't imagine it being worth a fortune, but this is actually worth getting checked out. There's a lot of stuff in here.
This unit is looking crappier now that I'm inside of it.
Yeah, once we start pulling it out, you'll see. All we gotta do is make $800 on this unit, and the system works.
Is only half of this couch in here?
And it looks like there's only half the couch in here. That's gonna be a little tricky.
I can't help it if he's always wrong.
Here we go. Start dragging this big stuff out right from the middle. Let's see if we can find all of the drawers and put them back in it. See if it's all complete or not. Whoa. Okay, what did I just do? Let's see what. Now let's get down to this one. Whoa!
It's looking so good, Gerard.
What do you mean, Brandy?
I would like to see some money.
The boxes are sitting on the money.
The one that you scratched up there?
Yeah, I will touch that up.
So, this one, Dan, has no drawers at all.
I don't need you to criticize any of the furniture in here.
Well, the drawers are missing.
Okay, but be optimistic. Tell me the good things right now. Don't tell me any negative things, okay? Try to make this a positive experience for both of us.
You got all the chairs.
6 chairs, this dining room table, $250 right there. The headboard's $100. This desk right here, another $150. Coffee table, $100.
Okay.
And then we got everything else. We've got the lamp, we've got the bed frame, we've got the TV, pictures, and miscellaneous is at least another $150. I mean, there's easy $800 here, so we doubled our money. Who knew? The system works. We paid $400, we made $800. You know what? This is not a mystery unit, Brandy. We're not gonna find a diamond in the rough here. Yeah. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Once you lit that fire, that's a pretty good thing. How about that clear setup?
Perfect day in the perfect spot.
This is what life is about. Alright, how you digging, guys? We got burgers, we got soup. Absolutely incredible. It's good, right? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you anything that's
Bounty picks the misses quicker and is 2 times more absorbent. Bounty, the quicker picker-upper.
the cost. Unfortunately, you can't do anything about that. Now that you know the truth, are you in good hands?
Food Saver gives you so many ways to keep food flavorful and freezer burn free. Prep delicious meals way ahead of time. Even cook right in the bag. You'll never run out of reasons to use it. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with Food Saver.
We're Carvana, the company who invented car vending machines and buying a car 100% online. Now we've created a brand new way for you to sell your car. Whether it's a year old or a few years old, we want to buy your car. So go to Carvana and enter your license plate, answer a few questions, and our techno wizardry calculates your car's value and gives you a real offer in seconds. When you're ready, we'll come to you, pay you on the spot, and pick up your car. That's it. So ditch the old way of selling your car and say hello to the new way at Carvana. It's here, most lowest prices of the season. Prices so low, no coupons needed. Levi's 40 to 50% off. Kids Talk 60% off. Kitchen Electrics $9.99. Plus, get $5 bonus cash for every $25 spent. It's the lowest prices of the season at Kohl's.
So let's see. Real, delicious, tempting. Did we leave anything out? Oh, boy, did we. Half the sugar and calories. Simply Right Orange. The best things in life are made simply.
You know what? This is not good. Find a diamond in the rough here. Yeah. And it's going. Ooh, look at that. You're probably not going to find a diamond in the rough out here. But about the rough? Yeah, that just happened. Third eye chakra?
Chakra.
Chakra?
Chakra. Let's see. Derek,
What?
these will help protect you against negative forces.
But then what will you do?
I mean, if we find the right person, these might actually be worth a little money. I don't know.
Hopefully those rocks are worth something, but either way, it doesn't matter. We're stuck to our system. We're not going to lose money on this yet.
I'll look into them, see if they're worth anything. But great.
I got a friend, Jerry, that lives and breathes metal detectors. Jerry! He should be able to tell me what it's worth.
What are you doing here?
Looking for you. Are you familiar with this make right here, Jerry?
That's the first metal detector made for a hobbyist.
A top of the line unit here. I like to hear that.
You got all kinds of settings. You can go for gold, you can go for aluminum. Here, try an easy one.
So what does that tell me?
Gauge. That'll give you a workout, I'll tell you.
A workout.
Looks like you can use a little bit of work.
So look, that's a pot calling the kettle black. What's the best thing you've ever found in all your years of doing this?
I like the platinum ring with 8 diamonds.
That's pretty nice. What do you think I can get for this thing?
As new as that one is, eight to 900 bucks would be a real going price.
Nice. $800. Not too shabby. I get to make a little bit of money on my storage locker. I made money on this locker. But even better, I found something that finds things.
Walk it down the beach and find something. Turn it on and start working. You must have something good. I heard a rattle in there. What'd you get?
Oh, just a wait.
I'm checking the martini set I found down at Barkeeper to see if I can buy the next round.
You gotta be Joe.
Hey, that must be Barrett.
I am.
Check that out.
This is the piece I found in that storage unit.
This is a very unique, beautiful cell. I mean, this is just beautiful. It looks like this was never used.
Is it sterling?
I think it is. See that stamp?
Yeah.
That says Hinkle right here. That is sterling. And this company typically made all kinds of beautiful, fine silver products. And let me tell you about this tray. See, what's cool about this is you can actually serve this and not worry about it spilling.
Yeah, so you can actually serve this to your guests while you're drunk.
Exactly. And that is a beautiful piece.
Well, now I need you to give me a beautiful value.
As a set, anything vintage, of course, intrinsically has more value.
Sure.
So, I would guess at least $1,000.
$1,000? Am I wrong?
We're going to drink to that. That martini shaker, perfect for making a killer protein shake.
Barry, it's been my pleasure, man.
Hey, thanks. Oh, I appreciate it.
So let's see. Real, delicious, tempting. Did we leave anything out? Oh, boy, did we.
100. Keep going, guys. You're going okay? Man, I'm getting tired. You're done. I mean, I haven't worked out like this since the 80s. Are you excited to go to Oxford with me today?
It'll be fun. I'm going to teach them a lesson.
You never get so much cash in your pocket. You know it today. Are you ready?
When storage units are abandoned, the treasures within
This is going down.
are put up for auction.
Bring it on. 2, 2
took care of him. Miniature car collector set. Kinda cool to get him in his own box. This is great. They're not all here. $20. Well, here's the ammo box. Loading it out ever so carefully. 45 caliber cartridges. To see what it really is. Like this, I worry about stuff jumping out. Clear.
That was such a high.
This comes with right there. Instead of using it now, baby wipes. Soothingly, because your derriere deserves expert care. Preparation H. Get comfortable with it.
Ordinary tissues burn when feel blows. So Dad bought Puffs Plus Lotion and rescued his nose. New Puffs have more lotion and soothing softness to relieve. A nose in need deserves Puffs indeed.
Food Saver gives you so many ways to keep food flavorful and freezer-free. Prep delicious meals way ahead of time. Even cook right in the bag. You'll never run out of reasons to use it. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with Food Saver.
With 4 tasty pizzas in one, Little Caesars Quattro has something for everyone. Yes. Get a large Little Caesars Quattro pizza for just $7.
Holy smokes.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Grubhub, America's leader in food delivery, just got better. Introducing Perks. Millions of dollars in deals and free food nationwide. Download the Grubhub app today and see the perks waiting for you.
Hi again. That belongs to me.
Everybody's like, Tiffany, you're a celebrity now. Why do you still use Groupon? Groupon makes me look good. My skin is like, what? My nails are like, yes, ma'am. And my face is like, hello, stranger. Download the app and say, Groupon.
Here. Being here matters, but the cold and flu keeps some students from being here up to 60 million days every year. Introducing Here for Healthy Schools, a new program from Lysol dedicated to curbing the spread of illness in classrooms by teaching healthy habits and partnering with the Smart Thermometer Company. Learn about our mission at Lysol.com. Here, it all starts with a simple hello.
Hi. How can I help? The dinner time for everyone. Everyone.
Let's send to everyone. Wi-Fi up there?
Sure, why not?
How'd we get out?
Camera has figured out.
That was easy.
Let it go. At Xfinity, we're here to make life simple, easy, awesome. So come ask, shop, discover at your local Xfinity store today.
Baking at Chime is honestly one of the greatest things that's ever happened to me financially. Not waking up to fees or miscellaneous charges. My name is Vivian and I love baking with Chime. Start banking with Chime today at chime.com.
45 caliber cartridges. To see what it really is. Like this, I worry about stuff jumping out. Yeah, that's what I figured. Wait. I know it's worth nothing. Also saw these, because Doc's a label that hasn't been around forever. And unfortunately, the collector's market on these old records, unless you really have something special, is just not very much at all.